if you get your gift, let me know. Okay? Let me know. Get ready. Yung napupunutin, kung sino yung may number, yun ang kanya kukuha ng gift. Okay? Guys, you listen. Okay? Whoever gonna have, okay, like for example, I'm gonna pick one number, and you have this number, you have to come over here and get your gift. Okay? Clear? Clear? Okay. You have a number, right, on your hand. And then I'm gonna pick a number over here. If I get your number, you have to drop your number over there. Yeah, I'm gonna call out the number. Like for example, no, you don't have to take
Baby,
it.
for baby. Like you're a baby.
Yeah, with this kid.
You look like a baby.
Number 6. Who has the number 6?
You watch Coco Melon.
I'm just a baby.
You watch Coco Melon with your baby.
With this treasure I summon? I'm just a baby. With this treasure I summon? Don't record me.
Whoever has number 6 is Hosea.
Yeah.
So whoever has number 6, they should be them.
Yeah, but
Yeah, and then, no, okay, let's say, you get the number 6, yeah? So this is from Jose.
Yeah.
So I guess you get the gift, and then number 6. That's the one that's gonna pick
That's
up the,
right. That's right.
thing.
Yeah. I'm not the one. Wait, that one is just a sample.
Okay, demonstration.
Okay.
Demonstration.
For example,
Yeah,
let's choose one. Guys, pick one.
Sunod ka na eh.
Pick one.
Sample lang ha.
This is just a sample.
Number
Okay?
6.
Listen.
Okay. Number 6.
Listen. This is just a sample.
What's number 6?
What's
Okay.
number 6?
That's Nanay got you. So that means you're gonna get the
You're gonna get
number
Nanay
6.
now. What's your number? You're gonna get the gift number 5 for Nanay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go look the gift number 5. Tama? Gift number 6. Tulpe. Oh!
Kung
So
ano
she's
yung-
gonna get number 6?
Yeah, from Tulpe.
Right, right,
So
because-
dapat si Tulpe yung nagbibigay ng number since we have the number, di ba?
Oh! So yung number 6 ang natin doon?
Yeah, and then
Okay.
Tulpe is the one that's gonna give.
Okay, okay.
It came from Tulpe.
Okay, yeah, correct. Okay, now I know.
Oh yeah, that's just example. Yeah, hold on.
Oh, example.
Number 6.
No, Nanay's gonna go first. Number 8. What's number 8?
What's
Oh, number 8. Number 8. Oh.
Guys, you are the gift.
Number 8. Number 8. Number 8.
I know, but this is hard.
Ano kay Magdalena naman po.
Oh, dalawang cup.
Matayab na. Nakalungkad na.
Bumubulot
Bakit
sila,
pinapanood?
tapos hindi mapulot ilang number.
Yung cup yata natapon na. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sino na lang yung maunang bumumot? Kung ano yung mapulot nila, ito na yung gift na makukuha nila.
Exactly, yun na nga.
O sino yung mauna?
Si nanay na mauna, kaya nga siya bumubulot.
Number 9.
Number 8, nandun naman yung
Para naman.
Oh, yan ako kunin niya na. Eh, parang yung number ng hawak.
Tapos ko na eh.
But this is just, you know, proof that
You guys again, okay. Guys, go get number 17.
Muna yung ano yun.
Yeah, go get your number 17 gift.
Oh, 17. Yun, the last one. This one, the last one.
Wait, I still have over here.
Oh.
17.
I think,
No more.
Ito, yung the last one.
Saan lang? Ito?
may 17 to mo.
Ito?
I think that's number 17.
Yeah, the last one.
Yeah, they never write down the number. That's yours, Nay.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Dance! Yes! That's the number. Who has the gift? Let's go!
Ako na, sunod na ako. Para matapos na.
Number 2.
Number 2.
That's last.
Dalawa!
Dalawa yan.
Oh! Oh, this one.
May number yan. This is Mars. What's your number, Mars? What's your number?
18.
This is all for you. Oh, Merry Christmas. Are you opening now? Yeah, you can.
Bumunot ka na.
Okay, well, that's me. So I saw it today. Merry Christmas.
Dami.
11.
Ako na rin, bunot na rin. Ako din, bunot na ako.
Hi, this is my number.
Oh.
11.
Oh. Ako na, Manja. Manja, ako na. Bunot na ako.
Who the hell is number 11?
Number 9. Manja, number 9.
Bumulot ka ron?
Oo.
Charlie, he get number 9.
Number 9. Uy. Gift card.
Yes. Who wants the gift? Alright, let's go.
I'll take the cat.
Richard!
Number 5.
Ilan?
Go be chicken hot sauce. Okay, next.
Gift card.
Number 1.
Oh, that's a coffee
Oh,
maker.
you lucky then.
We
Oh.
got a filter too.
Okay,
Next.
next.
Mars, let's go. Where's JC and Mars? Let's go, guys. Number 14.
Wow, from
Oh,
Amazon.
14.
Next, we got JC.
Oh, 13. Oh, 13.
What's your number, Mars? 6. The big
Oh,
one.
the big
for
one.
you.
Oh,
Merry Christmas. You're the winner. What's number? Number 10.
Hindi, bumunot ka. Bumunot ka. Laki naman.
Number 15.
Wala yan, kaya kaya yan.
Brooke, let's go. Wait, you're gonna... Number 8. No, you're not
Oh, you
gonna
pick up
over
there.
here. Number 10. It's a gift card.
100 baht. Yan, bumunot ka na. Happy New Year. Ito, Walmart. Walmart.
Thank you, whoever did this.
Walmart.
Okay, I still have 4 bags on. Oh. What number? 12.
Oh, 12.
Who else in the back has a present?
Yeah, present.
So 3 of them.
Hindi nung meme niya.
Yeah, 3 of them na lang.
You bring present? No? You bring present? The present. Here we go there. Oh, hey. Manager, nandun siya oh. Yung nasa drive-thru. Nasa drive-thru, manager. Yung nasa drive-thru.
I need to let them, Madam. Anasi, I need her. Just pick a number.
Bye-bye yung. See you 26. 26.
Number 3.
Uy. Uy. Nangyari.
What's the number?
Nangyari. Kunin mo na yung mga pa. Yan oh.
Yan mo.
Pang ano, pang crispy pata. Ha?
Tatsakan mo ako.
Tatsapan kita? Wala nga tayong kutsilyo eh. Hindi nga... Ulo?
Ay, yung sus na tapos.
Ulong gusto mo?
Ay, wala. Kumuha ng paa. Mga paa.
Huwag mo na natin pampulutan nyo.
Ah, kinuha mo?
Kinuha ka, sinabi ko sa'yo kanina, kukunin ko eh. Oo nga eh.
Yan ang kuya. Ay,
Yan.
kuya.
Yan. Hindi nga maano, maurang talim. Gamay mo na lang. Ito?
Kumuha na nga.
Wala, ayaw niya.
Number 16. Where's the lady?
Oh, manager, ito na. Manager, kunin mo na rin yung paa. Ito, kunin mo na to. Oh.
Islamic Gloria.
Kuha ka na. Kuha ka na. Uy, pang-tira pa yata yung pang-overnight. Ay, nandun.
Kaya na yan?
Uy, yung mga pang-overnight pala.
Ah, tingnan ko na kaya na.
Atin na.
Wait, I need to get a name for this one.
Walang sulapin?
Wala nga.